Major developments again, the U.S. and the U.K. striking targets in Yemen to respond and retaliate against the Houthi rebels. Give us a sense. Let's start with the oil market. What do you see as the short-term impact on the oil market? Will we continue to see oil moving higher? Right now, WTI crude up 3.5%.
I think the market is going to wait to see whether we see this spread to a significant waterway for oil like the Straits of Hormuz. People will be watching to see what will Iran do. Obviously, Iran is involved in all three sort of threat vectors in this war. They were involved in supplying the Houthis with weapons, financial support, intelligence support. They're also involved in Lebanon with Hezbollah, in Iraq with those militias. So the question will be, does Iran become more deeply embroiled in this conflict? But in the immediate aftermath of these strikes, we'll be watching to see, does the Houthis, do they expand the target list? They target, for example, Red Sea energy infrastructure. That is why the Saudis are deeply concerned about the U.S. action. They expressed concern overnight. They've called for de-escalation. I think they are concerned that the Houthis could respond by hitting the Jazan refinery. Those are the type of targets I think they would be looking at.
All right, so we asked you this question a few days ago when we had you on. I got to ask you again. You were just kind of alluding to it. What is the escalation risk here? President Biden and a Houthi spokesperson both making some pretty inflammatory comments.
The Houthis have said that they will respond. The Houthis survived years of Saudi bombing campaigns. And so the question is, what do they have in store next for the U.S. and its coalition partners? Will they continue to hit ships in the Red Sea? Or again, will they respond by starting to hit critical Red Sea energy infrastructure? Again, that is why the Saudis, I think, are very concerned about today's actions. The Saudis and the Emiratis have not joined the coalition strikes on Yemen. They have a lot to lose in an escalation situation.
All right. I want to turn to the entire global economy. If we continue to see this escalate, I know Secretary of State Antony Blinken said he didn't believe it was escalation, but, it's very sharp military action here. What do you see as the impact to the global economy, at least in the short term? Of course, we don't know all the twists and turns this conflict may take.
Certainly the major shipping lines have indicated that they are not going back through this Red Sea choke point. So they are going to continue to route ships around the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa. That adds 10 days to those ships. It makes the goods more expensive when they reach consumers. And so that is going to be a hangover from what we have seen. I don't see that situation abating. The bigger question, though, again, when you talk about oil markets is, does it expand? Do we start to see more significant waterways? The Straits of Hormuz is the critical energy choke point. In 2019, the Iranians did target ships in that waterway. They have the capacity to do so. They've hit critical energy sites like Saudi Arabia's Abqaiq facility. So it really will matter what Iran's role is going to be in this conflict in the coming days and weeks. Are they going to sit it out and let their proxies do the fighting, or do they become more directly involved? And the last thing I'll say, Frank, is the Iranians this week, they hijacked a tanker and took it back to Iran. So they did show that they are willing to escalate in this situation. That was not a de-escalatory move, seizing that oil tanker.